Hi, so today we're going to learn how to make salted egg using brine solution. So first, we're just going to boil 10 cups of water because our ratio will be 1/1/2. So it means that 1 egg is equivalent to 1 cup of water. So 1 duck egg and 1 cup of water is equivalent to 1/2 cup of salt. So right now, we're just going to put a lid on it and wait for it to boil. Now that the water is already boiled, we can now add 5 cups of salt since we have 10 duck eggs. So right now, we're just going to pour and mix and stir it well. Let's make sure to check it from time to time so that the salt will not be just cooked on the lower parts. So as you can see and also notice that once it's reached its boiling point together, the salt starts to solidify again. So it means that we are ready for the next step. We will just turn off the heat and unplug the cable, and let's just let the solution to cool down. While waiting for it to cool down, we will now rinse and clean our duck eggs. So let's make sure to get rid of all the dirt that it has accumulated on its shells for it to be cleaner and be more presentable as well. So now it's time to check if our boiling water has cooled down already. So in my experience, it took 1 hour and 1/2 for it to cool down. So right now, as you can see, we will just filter out the salt from the brine solution that we made. And now it's time to put our duck egg with the brine solution. And we will just put the lid, and this is the final result. We'll just store this for 21 days to get the best result out of this. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!